As our name implies, Environmental Solutions Group mission is to develop products and services that help sustain our environment. Equipment used to collect and process waste and recycling materials comprises the technology, engineering, creativity, and environmental stewardship principles foundational to ESG, with innovative research focused on next-generation technologies, including cutting-edge development of electric refuse collection vehicles, or ERCVs. Heil leads the industry in sustainable solutions for refuse collection. Our industry-changing RevAMP electric automated side load body, or EASL, is the first RCV with independent battery power that can be mounted on any EV, diesel, or CNG chassis.
The goal of the RevAMP project was to maximize the efficiency of the whole vehicle while it's en route. Leveraging our patented technology, we are able to stay en route longer without causing harmful effects to the environment, such as greenhouse gas emissions or hydraulic leaks while on the roadway. Thanks to the RevAMP's ability to provide its own energy source, there is no need for a chassis to divert energy to a PTO, eliminating any power takeoff from the chassis, resulting in fuel savings of up to 25% on a diesel or CNG chassis, and ultimately increasing the vehicle's range. The fuel savings that the RevAMP's independent battery provides a chassis also lowers the RCV's carbon footprint by reducing greenhouse gas emissions while improving air quality for the communities in which the unit serves. A RevAMP body mounted on a diesel chassis can eliminate the production of up to 41 metric tons of greenhouse gas emissions per year, reducing the burden of sequestration for nearly 50 acres of mature forest. And when mounted on an electric chassis, you had the first zero emissions RCV unit that's 100% electric while en route.
Best of all, the RevAMP also mitigates en route hazards. Thanks to the body's independent onboard battery power, there is no need for hydraulics while en route, eliminating costly road call incidents from leaks and spills, which can range from cleanup of a leaky fitting to harmful spills from hose ruptures that contaminate the surrounding environment. Additionally, the RevAMP alleviates hassles in the maintenance shop by eliminating the need to dispose of used oil and other hydraulic components such as cylinders, pumps, filters, and hoses. Thanks to the Heil RevAMP EASL, the future of refuse collection is now creating a more sustainable planet for future generations. At ESG, we are proud to be environmental stewards of this planet we call home. Our focus on sustainability, landfill diversion, next-generation clean propulsion, and recycling equipment merges perfectly with the products that improve safety, efficiencies, and overall fleet profitability. It's part of our mission, improving the lives of our team members, our customers, and the communities they live in.